Most of us spend a lot of time searching for the perfect weight loss plan, but the most important thing is to follow through on what we've promised. Inspiration plays a crucial role. However, it fades quickly, sometimes in just a day or even a few hours. We all know the feeling of lying in bed at night, suddenly struck by an amazing plan, filled with emotions. But then, waking up in the morning, unable to even get out of bed, let alone act on that brilliant plan. That's why it's essential to set realistic goals and develop a clear plan. Adjust your environment to make it as easy as possible to stick to this plan, avoiding temptations and building willpower. Regular weighing once a week and taking photos of your progress will help objectively assess your achievements. To lose fat, you need to consume fewer calories than you burn. The traditional way to track calories is to use an online calculator. This will help you monitor your diet and stick to your goals. For most weight loss goals, it is essential to understand that the key factors are the number of calories and the protein level in the diet. Carbohydrates, fats, and proteins should be present in moderate quantities to provide the body with all the necessary nutrients. At the same time, it is advisable to avoid simple carbohydrates, such as sweets, chips, and desserts. These products not only do not contribute to weight loss, but can also negatively affect overall health. Instead, fruits, vegetables, low-fat dairy products, lean proteins, and whole grains will be your best allies in the weight loss process. However, this does not mean you have to forget about chocolate forever. You can indulge in sweets once a week as long as it does not exceed your daily calorie limit. Refusing snacks is one of the simplest steps toward improving your nutrition. The body doesn't need frequent snacks, and over time, the desire to consume them may significantly decrease. Drink plenty of water. This will help you feel full and avoid consuming liquid calories. Aim to eat 3 to 5 times a day. This will help prevent prolonged feelings of hunger. Increase your protein intake. It promotes satiety and helps burn calories. Even if you don't have experience, you don't necessarily need to spend money on trainers. Everything is available online today. Lift weights. This boosts your metabolism and helps burn calories. Walk. It's a simple way to burn extra calories and lose fat. Increase your cardio workouts to facilitate the weight loss process. Reduce the time spent sitting to burn more calories. Ensure you get enough sleep. This is important for hormone regulation and fat loss. Try to go to bed by 10, 11 p.m.